Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here and I have a couple of Happy Meals. I'm probably going to just do this one by itself because I'd already started recording it, and of course, gonna mess up. And so I've already got it out, but I didn't want to go through each individual piece. This way I've got most of it spread out, and then I can move it aside because this is mostly Valentine's mail right here, and then I've got some Easter goodies. And this Happy Meal actually comes from my girl Phone Jones, and y'all have heard me talk about her before. I absolutely love her. I adore her channel, and I love her frankness and realness. So she had me from the get-go. So with that being said, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous card. And she says, "Hey, Carmen, I just want to say thank you for always supporting me, and thanks for sticking around after the challenge. You never made me feel like I wasn't good enough to be a friend. Thanks for getting to know me. Love, Phone Jones. Keep being real." Girl, thank you, because you have been there for me, and I will never be able to say thank you enough. Here is the packages, the awesome envelopes, and these are good quality, y'all. They have a handle, and they're Ziploc, and they have gorgeous hearts all over it, and all the goodies came in here. And look at these. I have nothing like that, so not this specific one. So I love that, girl. I appreciate it. We all love her shaker. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Love it. And then we've got all these little cutout pieces. Enjoy the little things. Happy Valentine's Day. You belong among the wildflowers. My happy place. I love that. So she's gotten me a lot of cutouts. She's gotten me a lot of these, gifted me a lot of these foam stickers. And I love the little strawberries. And then look at the little wild animals. How cute. Chipboard pieces. Love it. And then these little squares with the little poodles and the doggies. And then a donut. And then these little hello love. I mean, these are awesome. And then she's gifted me some of these little bitty tiny ribbons, which I do not have either. So I am so grateful. It comes in white, pink, and red, which is awesome because those are going to be great for tags. And then the ribbon that I love and I do not have is the lips in the truck, y'all. Yay, I got it. Thank you, phone girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because I didn't really pick up much Valentine this year. So this is going to actually help me get a good stash. I could not really find any good papers that I just loved. I'm trying to limit myself on getting papers. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? The black and red. Love it. One with lips. Look at the cat. Mermaid kitty. Foam. I love these. Okay, I'm going to move these aside because I don't want to mix them up. I'm going to put those up. And then she gifted me some Easters, foams and cutouts and dies. And oh my gosh, just so many goodies to get me started on my Easter too. Because y'all know, I'm still within my first year. So every new holiday that comes up since I think I started in June or July, but I didn't start my holidays until October for Halloween, fall and Halloween. So all that I've been, working on getting my stash built up. So I have yet to really have anything for Valentine or Easter. And look how cute these are. I love the sparkly one with the little tails and the die cut of a bird. And look how this bunny just sparkles with the foil. I love it. Love it. Love it. More foam. Little polka dots. And look at this giant egg. Love how that just sparkles and shines. And then this one has, its little tail is sparkly. Isn't that cute? Girl, I appreciate this. And these bunnies with the little bow ties shining on them. She gave me a couple of those. Little chicky chick. And then this Easter basket. And let's see, what's this one? Oh, that must have been in the hearts and Valentines. Probably when I did my first video, I mixed it up. But y'all see, this is just such a great, oh, and I love these too. Couple of things. Look how cute those stickers are. I love them. Are they not just so adorable? And then these. I love it. I love it. Little stickers. Did you make these and die cut these out, girl? Or did you buy them this way? Those are awesome. I love them. And itty bitty ones. So yeah, and then this right here I thought was so cute. I have not seen this bag. I've seen a couple at Walmart that were like this, but not exactly with the all colorful stripes. Let me make sure my Valentine and Easter separated because I gotta put them up in my nice organized room. Getting there slowly but surely. And this bunny's just so cute. And then she has gotten me some of, look, these little things are the cutest. Little Dimension 3D bunnies. And the little flap bunnies. And then the eggs. And y'all know we can use those on everything. And then not only that, there's some more. She made me some sequin mixtures. I'll show you that in just a second. I'll get these out. Look at the little lamb. Oops. That was another little egg. Little blue bunny. Little green bunny. The little lamb. Are they not adorable? How precious. I love them. Thank you. Thank you so, so much, girl. And then I'm not going to pull these out, but they are Easter eggs. Let's see. Hopefully you can see them. They're Easter eggs and Easter bunnies. I love them. And flowers. Love it. And then this one, she's made the Easter mix too. And she's put some of the pastel sequins in with it. So I love this. And I'm so going to use it, girl. Oh, y'all. I appreciate when y'all think of me so much. And Phone Your Packages is on its way, honey. And I appreciate this so much. It was not meant to be a swap, but it's definitely a thank you, and I appreciate you and for always being there for me. So, girl, let's stay in touch. I enjoy talking to you, and I hope you're doing well. Thank you again. It means the world to me. And the rest of you, I hope you're having a great week. I had a great weekend, got some painting done, and we had beautiful sunny skies until today, and we're back to the rain. So, who knows? Storm's supposed to be tomorrow, so cross your fingers, say a little prayer. It won't be that bad, and we can get this rain out of here for a little while. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I absolutely wish you all the best.